Goku, I'm sorry. Well, give him my regards when you see him in the other world.
I'm sure that Gohan misses you very much too. He was always fond of you. You were like family to him, Piccolo.
You're like one of the family now. Yeah, you're kind of like my big green uncle.
No matter what happens to you, Gohan, I will always be there to protect you. Gohan, you're the only real friend that I've ever had. I want to thank you. You're like the son I never had.